Today we'll learn how to build a great Android TV app. Android TV is just Android on a new form factor. So if you're already proficient with Android development, your existing skills will still apply. First, we'll work through a starter project and explain how the key pieces work, step by step. Next, we'll apply these concepts that we've learned by enhancing the mobile version of the Universal Media Player to also run on the TV form factor in the very same APK. Here's how the Universal Media Player looks when we start. And here's how it looks when we're done. How cool is this? It's complete with high-quality animations and a responsive, cinematic UI. To build our app, we're going to leverage the Leanback support library. The Leanback library is so easy to use and so versatile that it's become synonymous with writing Android TV apps. In fact, this entire UI was built using Leanback, with very little coding on our part. That said though, Leanback is just a library. You don't have to use it at all, and you have complete freedom over how your app looks and feels. Now, if you have an existing app you'd like to run on the big screen, it's important not to reuse the same activity layout that you already have for phones and tablets. Although technically this will work on Android TV, it will make for a poor user experience. And if you do that, Timothy Jordan will get angry, and you don't want to see him angry. In reality, Timothy's a super nice guy, but just to be sure, your UI should be simple, cinematic, and fun. For this lesson, all you'll need is Android Studio. We'll use a TV emulator to run our code so everyone can participate. If you happen to have a real TV device though, you can use that as well. In fact, I'd strongly recommend using a real device instead of an emulator for developing production apps. Sound good? Let's get our app running on the big screen.